Hello, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to do the test 5 of the GCE Ordinary Level Examination 2019 English paper. As usual, let's first read the question. Test 5. Read the dialogue between Geet and his uncle. Read the dialogue between Geet and his uncle. Read the dialogue. Dialogue is a conversation, a talk between two people. Who is this dialogue between? It is between Geet and his uncle. Now, Geet and uncle are both talking about something. So, it's a dialogue. Write the necessary information in the space given below. Now everybody can understand space. Space is a blank or gap. There are similar words. So you have to write the necessary information. You have to read the conversation or the dialogue. You have to read the dialogue and then find out some information. Necessary information means some information that is important to fill the gaps, that is needed. That is called necessary. In the space given below. So you have to write the information in the blank or the space given below. Given below is under the conversation or under the dialogue. There are some questions and you will have to write your answers on the dotted line. Dotted line. Okay. The first one is done for you. First one has already been done. Now let's read the conversation and try to understand it. Geet, how was the trip, uncle? How was the trip, uncle? Now Geet is asking uncle about the trip. How's the trip means whether the trip is good or bad, whether it's a great trip. So uncle says, it was great. So when you hear the word great, it was great means it was very good. He liked it. So that's why he say it was great. So if you like something very much, you say it's great. Our office environment club organized it. Uncle says, our office. Now uncle works in an office. So his office environment club. Now in some offices, in some companies or firms, they have different clubs. Now this is an environment club. You know what environment is? Environment is things around you. Air, water, land, all these things around us are called environment, our environment. So there is a club. Club is a society. People meet together and form a club to protect environment. So it is an environment club, organized it. So this trip was organized by the environment club of his office, uncle's office. So uncle says, it was great. Our office environment club organized it. Then Geet speaks. Where did you go this time? Where did you go? Now Geet wants to know where his uncle went on the trip. Uncle says, this year we selected a small island in Putlam. This year we selected means chose. We selected a small island. You know what island is? Island is a land surrounded by water. So small island in Putlam. Have you ever been to an island? Have you ever been to an island? Have you ever been? Now uncle wants to know whether Geet has been to an island. Okay? So Geet says never, but I would love to. That means Geet has never been to an island. He has never been to an island, but he says, but I would love to. But he likes going to a or visiting an island very much. We say love. When we like something very much, we say love. I love it means I like it very much. Then uncle says, don't worry, I'll take you there during the next vacation. Now uncle promises him that he would take him during the next vacation. Vacation is a holiday. When you get school holidays, we call it a vacation. So next vacation, uncle is going to take him there. There means to that island. Don't worry, I will take you there during the next vacation. Then Geet says, by the way, how did you go there? Now, when we want to change our conversation, we use the phrase by the way. Now, we are talking about something, and if we want to change the topic, we say, by the way, how did you go there? And now he wants to find out how his uncle went there. Now, when I ask you, how did you go to school? I went by bus, something like that. So, how did you go there? Then uncle says, we hired a van. We hired a van. So, they hired a van, and it took 5 hours for us to reach a town close to the island. They have hired a van. They pay money to someone and hired a van. And it took 5 hours. They have taken 5 hours. The van has taken 5 hours to reach a town close to the island. So before they go to the island, they had to go to the town close to that island. So to go to that town, it had taken 5 hours. We spent the night in the circuit bungalow. They had stayed the night in the circuit bungalows. Now bungalow is a big house, a building, right, where people go and stay. Circuit bungalow, and went to see the island in the morning on a boat. How have they gone to see the island? They had gone to see the island in the morning, and the time is in the morning. How? On a boat. On a boat. Then Geet says, wow, a boat ride. When you have a surprise and like something, we say, wow, a boat ride. Then uncle says, yes, 1 hour ride in the calm sea. When the sea is very calm, silent, not rough, calm. 1 hour ride in the calm sea. The village we visited in the island was very small. So in the island, there was a small village. The village we visited in the island was very small. So uncle says that they had visited an island, and in the island there was a small village. Gramaniladari said, so there is a Gramaniladari in that village, said it had 105 people. Very small village where there are only 105 people. Fishing is what they do for living. Fishing is what they do for living. For living, to earn money, they do fishing. Fishing means they go to the sea, catch fish and sell them and earn their money. For living. Fishing is what they do for living. Also, I saw some women. Uncle had seen some women making beautiful ornaments with seashells. So he has seen some women making beautiful ornament. Ornaments are the things that we made out of something. So ornaments with seashells. You know what seashells are. You can find seashells on the seashore. They make money by selling them to tourists. When tourists come, they make different items by using seashells. So they sell them to tourists and earn some money. Isn't there a school for children there? Isn't there a school for children there? So in that village, now Geet wants to know whether there is a school for children there. Then uncle says, well, there is a very small school. with a few teachers, only few teachers and a small school. That is all. That is all. That is all I can say about this island and the trip. That ends the conversation. I hope you got the idea. Now let's try to answer the questions. The first one is, the trip was organized by. Now, even if you have some difficult words or new words, if you read this carefully, you will be able to find out the answers to questions. Now, complete these statements. The trip was organized by. In the second sentence, it says, our office environment club organized it. So, who organized the trip? Environment club. It is already done. All you have to do is to write environment club on the space, on the dotted line, in the space given. Now, the place visited. The place visited. Second one. What is the place they visited? Uncle visited. You can write a small island in Putlam. Even a small island is okay, but we can write a small island in Putlam. A small island in Putlam. Now let's come to the third one. Mode of traveling from the circuit bungalow to the island. How did they go? Mode of traveling means the way they went to the island. How did they go to the island? The mode of traveling from the circuit bungalow to the island. So the following morning, they went on a boat. So you can write on a boat. Or even you can write by boat, in a boat. All these answers are correct. The mode of traveling from the circuit bungalow to the island. We can say on a boat. It is given in the dialogue. Or we can say in a boat, or even by boat is okay. Main livelihood of people. Main livelihood of people. So next question is main livelihood of people. Main livelihood of people. What's it? What is livelihood? If you don't understand the word livelihood, you find it difficult to get the answer. Livelihood is the way people earn their money. So we talked about that in the dialogue. What is their livelihood? Let's find out the answer. Fishing is what they do for living. So what is their main livelihood? Fishing. Fishing. Fishing is their main livelihood. Or even selling ornaments also a livelihood for women. But main livelihood of people is fishing. Population of the village. Population is the number of people live in a place. So, how many people live in the village? The Gramaniladhari had mentioned 105 people. So, the answer to question number 5 is population of the village is 105. 105. Then the last one. The ornaments were sold to. Now come to the last question. The ornaments were sold to. The ornaments were sold to. Who did they sell the ornaments to? To the tourists. To tourists. So the answer must be tourist. Tourists. Ornaments are something very beautiful. People made. Something people make beautifully. Any object that people make very beautifully is an ornament. They can be glass ornaments, woods or plastic or anything. Out of seashells. Now these women make ornaments out of seashells. Right. That's the end of test 5. I hope you all got the idea, and if you have any problem of the words that you find it difficult to understand, please refer to a dictionary and find out the meanings. I hope you all could find the answers to this. That is the end of test 5. Goodbye and good luck.